Grab your fur babies and prepare your sniffers. Today we're getting our Snuffle on with an awesome new Snuffle mat from Jetczo. Now our dogs and cats have a natural instinct to sniff out and hunt for their own food. So whether your pet is a fast eater and they need to slow down, or they're bored or stressed, or maybe your pet just wants to play too much, the Snuffle mat can be a great way to encourage your pet's foraging skills and give them a fun new way to get a snack or a meal.
Ooh, we got squeaky toys!
It even comes with 2 little toys. And for being such little toys, they've actually lasted a while too. We've had it for about a week, and I caught Freya squeaking her carrot before bed last night. Most toys don't last in this house, so I thought that was pretty cool. So now the Huskies are entertained and the cats have a new box, let's set up the Snuffle mat. Now the Snuffle mat is huge. It's 30.7 by 24.4 inches and is more than big enough for our 2 Huskies and even the kitties. It has a ton of different hiding spots to store your treats or kibble. And it's made of super soft polar fleece, which our animals just love. Before there was even food in it, Beans was already on the mat, just walking around and enjoying it. After it's all set up, you can unleash your fur babies and let them snuffle their way to a nice snack. The multiple hiding places and pockets gives a fun way to get exercise while sniffing and encouraging their primal instincts. Our Huskies and even our cats love digging through it and finding their favorite treats and food. It's big enough that everyone gets a chance. There's enough pockets and hiding places to go around for everyone. Sharing is caring after all. Now if you think you have a dog that'll cheat, it has straps on the side so you can tie it down and make sure your dog can't pick it up. But for us, the non-slip bottom seems to grip the floor pretty good and do the trick. This is such a cool product and it's kept our animals entertained for hours now. I've used several different mats in the past, but this is the only one that I've seen that they've been able to share with, and I just love to see that. So after the snuffling has finished, you can just roll it up and store it away for later. And if it gets dirty, it's even machine washer safe. What more could you want? Oh, you'd like a discount? Okay. Let me see what I could do. Alright, cool, yeah. They sent us a 10% off promo code for you to use. So if you'd like to get your Snuffle on too, then the link to the product and the promo code you asked for are in the description below. Till next time, I'm off to go snuffling. See ya. There's enough pockets